Fiverr takes a flat 20% seller fee on most orders, while PeoplePerHour uses a sliding fee system that drops as you earn more with the same buyer. That one pricing difference changes how much you actually keep. By the end of this, you'll know which platform is better for beginners, which one pays better long-term, and where your skill fits. Here's the quick answer. Fiverr is easier to start. PeoplePerHour can be better for custom freelance work. It depends on how you sell. Start with Fiverr. Fiverr works on fixed price gigs. You create a service, set packages, and wait for buyers. That makes it simple. A beginner can launch a logo gig, writing gig, or video editing gig in one day. The platform pushes your gig through search. That means visibility matters a lot. If your thumbnail title and reviews are strong, you can build momentum fast. The problem is competition. Popular categories are crowded. That often pushes prices down. Now, PeoplePerHour. It works more like a mix of Fiverr and Upwork. You can post offers, like gigs, but you can also send proposals to job listings. That gives you two ways to get work. This matters if you're good at pitching. Writers, developers, and marketers often do better here because clients post detailed jobs. The platform feels less crowded in some categories. But there's less buyer traffic than Fiverr. That means fewer chances if you're brand new. Now, money data. Fiverr is better for volume. You can stack multiple small orders. PeoplePerHour is often better for bigger custom jobs because the proposal system makes higher budgets easier to discuss. The fee structure on PeoplePerHour can also reward repeat clients. That makes long-term client relationships more profitable. So which one is better? Pick Fiverr if you want speed, simple setup, and passive gig traffic. It's easier for beginners and easier to test new services. Pick PeoplePerHour if you're confident writing proposals and want more custom projects. One mistake people make is treating both platforms the same. That hurts results. On Fiverr, optimize your gig. On PeoplePerHour, optimize your pitch. Quick recap. Fiverr is stronger for beginners and fast gig sales. PeoplePerHour is stronger for proposal-based work and repeat client savings. Your next step is simple. Choose one platform and focus for 30 days instead of splitting your effort. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more freelance platform breakdowns.